Hello, I made this short video to show others how to get an API key from Google AI Studio to be able to use the Gemini AI directly from any of your project. So just follow the simple instructions and you get it in a couple of seconds. Well, to get it, you're going to have to head to Google AI Studio in any of your browser. And when you open the dashboard, there are three main things here. To get an API key, you are going to need to create a project on Google Cloud Console. So as you can see, I'll be able to create it because I already have a cloud project. But when you try to create this key, they will tell you that you currently don't have any project, and they will add you a link there to go to Google Console and create a project. So just follow the video carefully. You do it in any time. So you just go to Google Cloud and just create any random project. And when you come back, you're going to have to select that project when you want to create the key, and when you do that, it'll get created, and just open the key, copy your API key and use it in any of your project. And thank you for watching the video. I hope it helps you very well.